Welcome to EDC Ideas, and today I am unpacking my EDC organizer with you. It's always fun to try the different configurations in an EDC organizer. This is the organizer and the setup I want to test during the next weeks. The organizer is the MAXPEDITION E.D.C version, one of the most popular organizers on the market. I'm excited to read your thoughts when it comes to this organizer, and I hope you find an inspiration for your own EDC kit. You find the links to the product in the description box below as affiliate links. We start with the multi-tool, the Leatherman side clip. It's a fairly slim organizer, so there's no space for bulky tools. I was thinking about the Leatherman side clip, the Leatherman pulse, or for example the Leatherman rebar. But in combination with the slim design, the pocket clip, the tool set and the excellent quality, together with a Victorinox multi-tool, I think the Leatherman side clip is an excellent choice. Let's go through the different tools of the Leatherman side clip. We have needle nose pliers with a hard and a soft wire cutter and a grip section. We have a blade, different flathead screwdrivers. We have a bottle opening tool / can opening tool, a Phillips head screwdriver and a small flathead screwdriver. I love the pocket clip because I can take the tool out of my organizer and carry this tool in my pockets too. All in all, I love the Leatherman side clip and it's one of the best multi-tool designs for EDC ever. But when it comes to the toolset of the Leatherman side clip, some tools are missing, and that's the reason why I carry this model from Victorinox. It's a model from the Victorinox 74mm series, the Victorinox Executive. This tool comes with a very unique tool, an orange peeler, a blade, a nail cleaning tool with a nail file, excellent scissors, a toothpick and tweezers. Especially the scissors, the nail cleaning tool, the toothpick and the tweezers were missing when it comes to the Leatherman side clip, and I love the small blade for precise work. I carry both tools for years and I have to mention that both of them are discontinued. I decided to upgrade the Victorinox tweezers with tweezers from KNIPEX, high quality tweezers with a very precise tip. I really like the KNIPEX quality and it's always useful to carry excellent tweezers. I was looking for a lightweight and small ratchet. This is a mini ratchet from Bosch. There are other great ratchet options on the market, but I decided that the small version from Bosch fits perfectly into this pouch. I was thinking about the Vera mini ratchet too, but this version is a little bit smaller. In combination with the Victorinox bit kit, it's a great combination when it comes to bits, screws and screwdriver options. All in all, a very compact but useful set. When it comes to screwdriver options, I was also thinking about the Bosch version on the left, because there are more bits and more options, but it's a fairly bulky design compared to the Victorinox option. The next high quality tool, let's talk about the KNIPEX Cobra. This cool adjustable water pump pliers from KNIPEX are high quality and I love the different sizes for my EDC toolkits and my toolbox. It's a 125mm version, excellent to bend things, grab things and hold things. The quality from KNIPEX will last a lifetime. It's quality for professionals and an industrial standard here in Germany. The tools from KNIPEX are high quality and the tools from HZ too. It's a magnetic pickup tool and there are so many cheap versions on the market, but I prefer the high quality stuff and that's the reason why I choose this tool from HZ. It's a perfect tool to pick up metal things and I love the pocket clip to carry this tool in the pockets. Always stay sharp. I love this sharpening tool from Benchmade. It's fairly expensive, but I really like the slim design in combination with the functionality. This sharpening tool comes with a deep carry pocket clip. We have a ceramic sharpener with an angle guide and we also have this preloaded leather strop. I love to carry high quality permanent marker and this tool is the right choice. It's the sole built marksmith and I love the functionality to unlock the permanent marker. It's a lot of fun to play with. This tool will last a lifetime and you find different writing inserts for this version. The next writing option with tactical style is the T5 from Phoenix. I love to carry this tactical pen in my pockets because of the slim design. It's a great writing tool and an interesting option for self-defense. Flashlights are always important, especially in the darker season when it comes to the fall and winter time. That's the reason why I carry a main light and a backup option too. The first flashlight in this set is the EDC 23 from Nightgore. A futuristic flashlight design with good quality. I love the different modes, the output, the heavy duty pocket clip and the half locking mode. It's fairly easy to operate with, you have two different switches. This EDC flashlight from Nightgore is rechargeable via USB-C. And the fairly slim design fits perfectly in a fairly slim organizer. One of the best EDC tools ever, let's talk about the Phoenix eSpark. It's a combination tool. We have a flashlight with different modes, including a red light mode. You can use the safety cap as a diffusor cap. The main feature why I love this little EDC flashlight is that you can use this EDC flashlight as an emergency power bank. And yes, it's rechargeable via USB-C. The last tool in the front section is this EDC pick set from Multipick. This high quality pick set comes with different picks for EDC tasks, a very slim design and an integrated tension tool. I was thinking about a larger version with more functionality and with more picks, but I think this pick set will do the job too. I love to train with simple tools to build up my EDC and lockpicking skills. The first item in the back section is a charging cable from USB to USB-C. The next item, you know this item from my previous videos, a universal oil towel from Ballistol. It's a product with 1000 use cases, the tool maintenance, skin care and leather care too. One of my favorite items, especially in slim EDC organizers, is this card with 3 to 4 meters duct tape and 3 meters electrician tape. Let's move on with my sharpening card from DMT. It's a high quality sharpening tool and I love the diamond surface. This one is the version extra fine 9 micron. All DMT tools are color coded. Green stands for extra fine. It's a great and slim choice to get a great working edge back on your blades. Let's move on to this pouch here. This one is an all-weather notebook. You can write in the rain on this notebook, you can write underwater. All in all, I love to write down my ideas, especially for new YouTube content. You find different versions. I prefer the stuff from Write in the Rain or from Modestone. Last but not least, I want to talk about this small wallet from Tasmanian Tiger. It's a version with an RFID block, but I love to carry some extra cash and a minimalistic first aid kit in this little wallet. It's organized very simple with different compartments, but I think it's a great quality and I love to organize my cash and my first aid equipment in this little pouch here. Let's talk about the organizer. We have a front compartment here. We have a loop section. You can attach, for example, your patches. And when we take a look inside, we see different loops and compartments. I really like the different sizes of the loops, because you have a double loop, you have a large compartment with 2 small compartments, a great option to organize different tools, pliers, multi-tools and pens. You can attach different tools inside, for example a key or other equipment. You have this option here and the loop on the top here. The handle is well made and high quality, and you have the possibility to attach this organizer, for example, on your MOLLE equipment. When it comes to this organizer, I have to mention that 2 or 3 important things are missing. First of all, I like to carry a pocket knife in my pockets, and depending on the law restriction of the area and my activity, from time to time I carry a classic pocket knife with a nail nick. But from time to time, the location and my activity allows me to carry here in Germany a one-hand opening pocket knife with a locking mechanism. I love to carry, for example, the Benchmade Bailout and the Spyderco Tenacious. Two excellent pocket knives, and I love to use them for my EDC tasks. The next items I love to carry in my pockets are, for example, bubble gums and tissues. Please let me know in the comment section below what are your thoughts when it comes to my EDC organizer. I'm excited about new ideas, other brands and new tools.